Okay, let's create an account on Figma. So click on the link on description and you will come to the figma.com. In Figma, click on this get started button and in this pop-up you can use your email and password or continue with Google. I will click on continue with Google. In here, I will select my Gmail account. Okay, I am in. In here, I can add the name. So I will add my name. Then click on continue. In here, I have to select what kind of work I do. So I click on design. Then click continue. Just select the necessary option and continue. In here, I can invite other members or my team members. In this case, I click on skip button. So now we have a question, what brings you to Figma today? So I click on other and click continue. Click like this and click continue, and in here click on starter and click on continue. And I will skip this part. Here we create our Figma account. Now I will create a design. To do that, click on this design file and click on draft. Alright, in here we can create the design that we want. So first of all, I will name this design. To do that, click on this file name. So currently it's untitled. I will rename it like first look. Press enter, and now here we have options to create the design. So we call this part is the canvas, or we can call it artboard. And in here we have options to select and create elements like frames, shapes and lines with pen or pencils. And in here we have text, and also we have resources button, and we have hand tool, and in here we have comment button. So let's create a frame. I just click here, and when I click it, I get the pre-built frame sizes. So in this case, I will select the size as iPhone 13 and 14, and this is the frame. So when we build our app, we build it on this frame. So I will rename this frame to home, and now I will create a rectangle. To do that, I click here and drag and drop like this. When I create a rectangle, here I have the properties of the rectangle. So we can change the width here and height in here like this, and we can change the fill color from here. Also we can add stroke and we can add shadows, and there are a lot of options. So now I create a text. To do that, click on this T icon and click here. Then let's add text like hello world. Okay, and now I will center it like this. Then in here I can change the font. I will change it to like Poppins, and font size will be 45. Then make it semi-bold and make text center, align it to middle, and in here we can change the color. Also in here we can select other type of shapes like this and this. In this hand we can check the canvas. So if this canvas has lot of frames, we can just go up and down and check it like we want. So now we have this comment option. So Figma is a collaborative tool. So if you have a team and you want to mention something, you can just click on this comment and comment it. So I want to add comment here, so I click here and I add the comment like red box for test and press enter. And when you hover over it, you can see comment that you added, and it also can see the team member of your team. Also you can mention team members like this is for, and click this add sign and add the users at your team member name. In this case we don't have team members, so I will mention myself like this. Then we can add emojis and also we can upload images. So just play with it, and in your left side you can see the frame and all elements that we are created. Also we have this asset panels, and in future lessons we will go through all of those sections and details. So now I will click this more button, and in here you have a present button. If you click on it, the design will open like this. So in Figma we can also convert these markups or these designs to prototypes, and we will see how they work in the future lessons. Also we have option to share. So if I click on this share button, and I can get a shareable link of this design. So those are the basic stuff that you must know about Figma. This is an insightful lesson from the Learn UI UX App Design with Figma course. So if you are ready to improve your UI UX skills, you can find the complete course on Udemy. Click the first link on the description to check it out. Let's continue the learning adventure together. See you in the full course.